Hello everyone, let's take a look at the market Wednesday 26th of June. Now, as we said, we're following this trend down, and as euro dollar raises its head up, we keep going to sell. Yesterday, the market did raise its head up a little bit, not as far as I expected it to go. I wanted to sell really at the 32.10 level, but it never got there. 31.80 was also a level that we wanted to sell on, but it never got there either. You know, people just sold at 31.50, so we couldn't really take a trade here at all, and it just came tumbling down. Today what we're going to do is there's going to be room for it to come up, and then we're going to try and sell again. Okay, and that's what we're going to do. We anticipate to do that. Now this is a trend line, so the market will start taking a U-turn. So the 31 level, this red level here, also corresponds to this daily pivot. So if it raises up its head to this daily pivot, we want to sell. If you get clean U-turn signals, you want to sell on your manual trading strategy. This is a clean signal that came. So if you missed all that, you can still sell here, or if it raises head up here, you can sell here. Obviously, you're going to keep your stop tight if the market raises head up here and you sell here, simply because you just want to put your stop loss slightly above the daily pivot there, about 15-20 pips above, and then that should be fine. So that's what we're going to do with the euro dollar. You can even sell, like I said, straight from here, or if it bounces up here, sell straight from there, and the targets are going to be below here. Okay, that's where the breaking targets are, from 30.11 to 29.80. Let's take a look at the pound dollar. Pound dollar, beautiful spot to sell, market going down. We also had the same strategy for the pound dollar as the euro dollar. As it raises its head up, keep selling. Here's a good spot to sell again. Market goes up, nice little pennant, breakout, short, first target, second target, third target, easy as can be. Okay, so it's got room to go down. If it raises head up, that's the spot to sell. That GAN line's a spot to sell. You can wait till the market comes up here, then wait for a U-turn, or sell straight away with your stop loss above the scan line here. So there are alternatives to do. There's two places, one here, second here, and that's pretty much it. That's where you got to sell today. Just follow it through. Dollar yen. Now with the dollar yen, franc, dollar franc as well, we're buyers. It's the same strategy here. Nice little breakout, come back for a goodbye kiss to go long again. A second option is this spot. If the market gets to 96.87, you go long, that's for sure. If the market comes down to 96.10, then you go long as well, once again. Alright, that should be the strategy. I'm just checking if that's the line we should take, but we'll see if it gets there. This is also another line option. We'll see how that works out. But here, like I said, we'll be buyers here anyway. That's for sure. This place is a good buy kiss, not a bad spot at all. Good to buy even now. If we take a look at the dollar yen, alright, or see that's the 96.72 there, weekly pivot, and that's the 87 there, so slightly under there is going to be a good level to buy again. And let's just refresh this chart. Beautiful. Alright, so places to buy are pretty obvious here and here, which is I just showed you on the 4-hour chart. The first pivot line in that area, which is this one. Second is this area here, which is the target of the breaking of this support. If it breaks down, then you buy here again, and that is also good. Okay, there we go. Right here, let's take a look at the dollar franc. Same scenario with the dollar franc. As it comes back, see, this is the support line of today, this is the trend line we drew from today. As it comes back, you go back up with it, just following the trend. Remember how we did this last time with the dollar Canadian? Kept coming back, we kept buying, kept coming back, we kept buying. The timing indicator is down. All we have to do is wait for it to come back. You can even delete this line here, which I just drew while I did the other video. But it's just really basic stuff. Okay, comes back, we go up, end of story. Okay, so there you go. Let's take a look at the gold. Now yesterday, if you got the newsletter, I said gold had room to go down, and the spot to sell was 1,290.92 area, and the market fell off from 1,289.60. And then I said a good spot to buy would be the 1,250.55 area, and that's exactly where it fell, because we're expecting the market to fall down there. So we're expecting a bit of a pickup here to go back up and then to sell again. This asset, the gold, has got room to come down, and we want to carry on selling this as it raises head to this yellow line here today. That's the spot where they're going to first start to sell. Alright, so be mindful that your yellow line is going to be your daily resistance. If you're playing the binary options as well, if it goes up there, you keep shorting. And also from here, I'd be thinking of longs now to raise its head up, and then the market should sell afterwards. So be mindful of that. Today, gold going up in order to sell at the yellow line. Have a good day trading.